Hi, my name is Dean, and I recently used Quantum to do my floors, and I'm going to tell you how delighted I am to have selected them for a variety of reasons, and I would highly recommend them, and here's why. Very flexible. When we went to get samples, they were accommodating and allowed us to take as many samples as we like to take back to our house. They even helped us bring them to our car. When their estimator showed up to do actual sizing, he showed up on time. He was professional and gave us a quick overview as to what he thought it would be and told us he would deliver us a quote in a timely manner, in which he did. They were quite competitive with pricing and even worked with us a little bit in terms of working within our budget. And when they came to do the job, they did the job as promised within their 2-day window. Everything was moved properly. The house looks great, and we would highly recommend them if you're looking to get your floors done.